Yes, it's been announced. The iPhone 13 is out. And in this video, I want to answer 3 questions for you. 1, should you upgrade, or why should you upgrade to the iPhone 13? 2, a few reasons why you might not need to upgrade to an iPhone 13. And 3, am I going to upgrade to the iPhone 13, and why or why not? Let's get into it. What is going on? You know this is AlTone, and welcome to another absolutely fantastic day. And today, like I said, I want to talk to you about the iPhone 13. It's been an announcement. I do not have one as of yet, but I do want to answer those questions for you. And the first question, of course, is why you might want to upgrade to the iPhone 13. Now, you know, this is an iPhone 11 Pro Max. This is my phone. Honestly, I think the technology is getting to the point where the cell phones in general, the technology is actually catching up to the quality that you would get from a DSLR, which is ridiculous. I mean, some of these phones will shoot better video than my Canon 70D, which I'm still shooting video on here now. Hopefully this video looks pretty good. What do you think? At any rate, my thoughts of why you should possibly upgrade would be, if you're attempting to build a business capturing video, then an iPhone 13 is possibly something that not only is in your budget, but also something that's going to be a great tool for you to use. If you are currently using your cell phone for the purchose of capturing video for business use, or you happen to be the one individual in your family that is always the one to capture memories and events, and everyone looks to you and to your Facebook page to fill up with all of the memories and photos from family events that you've been a part of, then you might want to upgrade to the iPhone 13. Now, why would you possibly not need an iPhone 13? On the flip side of what I just said, if you are that family member who is capturing video, you might not need the iPhone 13, especially if you have recently upgraded to an iPhone 12. It doesn't have the full amount of features that the iPhone 13 does, but if you've been successful in capturing those memories and moments in video and you cannot find a specific reason why the special features as a part of the iPhone 13 are going to enhance that experience for your family or for those that you know are viewing your content, then it might not be necessary. You can stick with what you have. If you are thinking, you know what, I think because this new phone came out, I want to try it out, have fun with it, and just see what I can do. I want to go and just capture video and play with the settings. If you can afford it, maybe, okay, fine, go ahead and get yourself one. But if it's not something that's in your budget and you don't have a business use for it, stick with what you have, especially if it's been working for you. Sometimes if you use what you have and see if there are ways, there are actually apps that can help you get functionality out of older iPhones specifically that can actually help you get the type of content that you're looking for without you having to spend the money to upgrade. There are less expensive ways to be able to capture your ideas and memories in video other than buying the latest and greatest equipment every time it comes out. If you have a working phone and you're not having issues with that phone, you might not need to upgrade. I would just say take the current device that you have and get the most use out of it you possibly can. So, the last question, of course, is AlTone going to upgrade to the iPhone 13? As you know, I am actually a content creator. I am actually attempting to build a business around what I do here. Actually, I am using my cell phone as well as many other devices, and this channel is all about capturing your ideas and memories in video. I'm using as many devices and as many features, or learning to use as many features on the devices that I have available to me as possible so that I can share that information with you. Would it be a good idea for me with the with what I do here on this channel to have an iPhone 13? Absolutely, it would. It would so benefit me. But I also have to lean back to my previous statements. I have an actual working iPhone 11 Pro Max. I have a working iPad 11 Pro. And I have a ton of specialty devices in order to capture my thoughts, ideas, and memories in video for you as well as my family and others. And I don't feel that at this point it is the best time for me to invest in another iPhone. I would absolutely, as I said, love to try out the features. Apple, if you're considering a smaller channel to send a device to try out, I would love it. It would be phenomenal. I'd be honored to try out your phone and making a video on it. My own personal views and video on that phone. But for me to purchase one at this point, no. The biggest thing that I look at is this. One, my iPhone 11 Pro Max was purchased just as like 2 to 3 days before the announcement and release of the iPhone 12. And so that's why I got the latest one that was out. But I knew the 12 was coming out, but I got the 11. In the future, am I going to upgrade? Possibly. But I'm thinking that the iPhone 14 or 15 are probably going to be much better. There are going to be things that they will do. And I'll have the opportunity, hopefully, to be able to share those with you as they come out. Even though I'm missing the opportunity of being able to share with you my personal use of an iPhone 13 at this point. If I am able to get my hands on one, I'll absolutely share that. But that's the reason why I feel that I don't think for AlTone at least, I don't think it's going to be the right time for me to upgrade to another phone. I'd love to hear your thoughts down in the comments section. What do you think? If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't enjoy it, it's okay. Give it a thumbs down. I'm fine with that. I appreciate it. Let me know what things that you would like for me to do a little bit better, respectfully. And I truly thank you for stopping by, listening to my little rant on the iPhone 13 and my thoughts. And I look forward to seeing you again in future videos. Have a fantastic day. Talk to you soon.